But today I'm feeling something I just can't ignore. Charlie, honestly, I've been hurt like this before. Look at her moving, baby, she's the one. Oh yeah, I need a super graphic, ultra modern. Ooh, you got me la la la, and hyper sexy top to bottom girl like me.
Don't you dare close your eyes. Hold your breath if it's better.